how to remove category on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to remove the category from your Instagram bio, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you'll need to tap on edit profile. So you must know that category only appears if you have professional mode turned on. So now head over to your edit profile and then scroll down. There on the profile information, you'll find the category. Tap on it, and then you can see display on profile on the very top. You just have to tap on it and then toggle it off and hit done. And now the category won't be displayed in your profile, as you can see. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.